All right, once we get to exercise 1.08, we're looking at inflation and GST. I'll deal with inflation first of all. So inflation is a term that refers to the increase in the price of goods and services in the economy over time. Now, in most developed economies, prices go up over time, and usually at around 3% per year. So when you hear economists talk about inflation, they're talking about the increases in prices over time. Now, if your wages stay the same, so if your wages don't go up over time, wages stay the same and the price of goods and services go up over time, can you see that you are actually worse off? So if you earn $100 a week, the things that you can buy with that $100 this year will be more than what you can buy next year with the same $100. And that's why your parents might talk about the price of things in the olden days or when they were young. And I was talking to you in your assignment about the cost of petrol when I was your age, which was significantly less, more than half the price of what it is now. So prices go up over time. They typically go up here by a percentage, about in the low, around 3%. And that unless your wages go up by the same amount or more, you're not keeping pace with inflation. And there's a question about that that we need to have a look at. All right, so first example, a Holden car costs $32,460 today, and if inflation is 3.4% per annum, that's what the PA means, per annum, and per annum means per year. So if it's 3.4% per year, what will be the price of a new Holden next year? Okay, what will be the price of a new Holden next year? So we've got the new Holden is worth $32,460. We're going to increase the price of that by the amount of the inflation. Again, this is all the work we were doing last week. So next year's Holden will be this year's price increased by the level of inflation. So we just do exactly what we were doing last week. We multiply it by 1, which keeps it the same. We want to increase it, so we put a plus sign in, and then we convert that percentage to a decimal. And so that will be 0.034. So next year's Holden will be $32,460 times 1.034. And someone who's fast on the calculator is going to tell me that that is $33,563.
Thanks, John.
And 64 cents. Okay? All right. Thanks, Robbie.